Good day, teacher and classmates. My name is Diego Carranza. I am 39 years old. I live in Soacha with my son and with my wife. I study industrial engineering. In the activity two, the movie In Search of Happiness is a film based on real events, starring Will Smith with his son who lives a difficult situation to go through economic situation in which he is involved. His wife lives him and must get his soul forward. Then he presents a great job opportunity in which he will have to fight with other professionals for a position. Excuse me, position. It is a dream of his whole life, that job, and he will not give up until he achieves it. Beautiful example of what you want is achieved and with a lot of faith, work and hope things and goals can be accomplished. Not let ourselves be overcome by promise and fighting go got intact. In the first question, I learned about the movie, the strength of having in the difficult moments of life to try again without giving up, to fight for our goals, uh, regardless of the circumstance, to the have fight in God, and to find solutions to conflicts. In the second question, the movie makes us wake up several feelings of value when seeing these men as a fight of uh, encouragement to see that if you can had hurt and sometimes frustrated and rattled because I know two things can be done better. And the Phoenix question for the academic program, it serves a great teaching because we will have several difficulties as professionals, and we cannot let the problems with us. We must take our warrior spirit and spirit warrior, and with strength confront the circumstance. Faith, discipline, and hope are the key. Thank you, teacher and classmates. Bye.